Hi guys, wagwan, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Join the family. Pick up. I'm out.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm in the hair shop. Let me look for some hair. I need some locks. Gonna put the phone down. I think I might get that one. Let's see. Hi guys, wagwan, happy Sunday. It's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm starting a new vlog. The old vlog I'm ending where I said I was gonna take out my hair, and this is the result. I took it out. I see growth. Wow, oh my god, my skull is itching so bad. So I'm gonna do oil. I'm gonna steam up my hair with oil. This is loads of oil mixed up together with my Cancun leave-in conditioner. So let's get popping. It's itching so bad, but after I steam, I'm gonna keep it all day and then wash it out later, let it rest, and then I'll start to do my hair tomorrow Monday. Because all I have to do tomorrow is like go shopping to get a little bit. So I've got loads of stuff ready, just some fruits and stuff like that. And then I start my hair. I know this oil I don't want. Look, I'm a fan of Stitch. Did you know that? I didn't know myself. It was cheap at work, so I got it. And this one is a kid size, so don't judge me. Don't judge the girl. The girl is just petite. Oh my god. My hair itched up all night last night. I don't know how to get rid of this, but this is what happens all the time. I highlight, I do everything, and I can't get rid of the itch. And I don't have it, I can't see no dandruff, so I don't know. But look, the middle, it was short, now it's growing. It's growing. I should have hot the oil, but you know what? It's gonna be in my hair all day, so eventually it's gonna stay hot. It's gonna get hot. I mean, Now I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner. Yeah. It's Sunday. The month's gonna finish soon. And it's gonna be Christmas. Have you started your Christmas shopping yet? Because it's all over in the store. People come in to look for Halloween stuff. I don't know. We had a big Halloween display, loads of stuff, and people weren't buying it. And then it got sold out. But now people are looking for it because it's not Halloween yet. But those are sold out, and it's the Christmas stuff. And I bet you people not following in sales, it's different. They don't go by the season. It comes out before, if you understand what I'm saying. So when you see it then, you have to get it. Because now it's the Christmas stuff, and I bet you closer to Christmas, they're gonna come and look for Christmas jumper when it's all gone. And then some of them can be so rude. And then you have to be so professional. Anyway, I'm using my plastic bag. So then again, don't judge me. This is gonna stay so, it's gonna fit so well, so it's gonna last all day. I don't have a shower cap. My shower cap elastic is so loose. Then I'm gonna put this here. It's full of we call it edges, edge control. I put it so that when the oil runs, it just runs on that. So this is what I'm gonna keep holding. So now I'm gonna tidy up the house. Got a little bit of clothes to wash. I need to charge my thing. And then put my son to dinner. So guess what? I'll see you. I'll see you when I see you.
Real good. Fine for you to say, you're warning. Fine for you to say, you're fine for you to have arguments and then just walk out. It's fine for you to say, oh, I'm not sure if I could say more things than you said to me. Look, let me just say something. Let me just say I'm not going to actually sit here once you come after my integrity, once you come after my people, once you come after
Wagwan, happy Monday. Today is another day. Let's give thanks to the Almighty that we see another day. My mission is for today is to run to the supermarket, get my shopping done, sort out my hair, and maybe do my lashes quickly. Let's see how it goes. I think somebody needs the parking. So that's my mission for today. But listen, there is this viral vlog going on with the pastor beating up his church member before because she didn't pay her dues or whatever they call it. Anyway, if I get the clip, I've seen the clip, but if I see it again, I'll download it and show it up here. Anyway, let me go.
This is ridiculous.
Guys, I want you to sit back and watch
This is disrespect.
This is why most people don't go to church or have a bad review at church. Because this lady from his congregation.
I was gonna get 10,000 to this young person. I am not giving a sky.
Why do you cannot watch? There is a part 2, but I won't upload this is so bad.
Oh my God! 911! Jesus Christ! Lord! Oh, stop! Oh my God! What is happening? What is happening? Oh my God! Ione, stop! Ione, stop! Ione, stop! 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 You want to cut left? Call 911, please! Call 911! This is abuse! Stop! Hey! Put on the... Ione! Is she serious? You need to stop! You need to... You're taking it too far!
Listen, you started, and you know you started.
This is an embarrassment. Oh my God!
Look at me. I don't know where the police. Listen, you started it. I have witnesses. You started it. I won't deny you. No, I didn't lie to you. I didn't lie to you. I didn't lie to you. Tell the man right here that this is my mom. How are these? How are these? I know. Right,
What you want fight on to do
it's
this?
not together. Upset me. Every time you open your mouth,
Finish your one, right?
I you can't say.
Because what?
What I tell you? No, don't worry, sir.
You know what?
I
The church
know.
is not going nowhere.
Yes, it is.
I don't know.
And as long as she goes, it is okay.
She needs to go.
That's it. And that's
This
it.
is
This is the last of
disrespectful. She
it.
put her
She
hands on you.
did.
That's
She put her hands
that's
on me.
taking
So
it
you
too
to be
far.
here, and she started our stuff.
Yeah, the person she didn't need the parking. She was just turning. But it is so disturbing to see what happened in the church, because I mean there is circumstances when you don't have no money, you can't show the offering, you don't have to be fighting. And guess what, she bit the lady on her finger. Oh my God, if that was my mom, hey, it would be so, it's so crazy. Anyway, look at me. You know what, now I look like my mom now without no lashes. My ear is a mess because it was itching all night last night. I don't know what's wrong with my skull, but I need to get something because it itches so bad. And the problem is it itches when my ear is out. If I have the braids on, no itch. I don't know, but for real now, for real, let me get cracking because it's gonna be a long day today.
You said that like I'm in trouble. She had like the drugstore
drugstore lotion in her purse, but she got the body butter. I was gonna give her body butter in her gym bag. She been asking me. That just goes to show how much she goes to the gym. She got the nice essentials in her gym bag. Y'all, she be coming everywhere ashy. Yesterday we were in church. She said, "Talitha, you got some lotion?" And now we're in the gym. "Talitha, you got some lotion?" I'm gonna give her options because this isn't about me. It's about you being ashy. Not about me. I like this. She smells so good. Doesn't she? I need to fill it up again.
I'm doing my hair. I'm starting to do my hair watching the latest vlog.
Tobias, please do Tabitha's legs so dirty. Like, so dirty. See, what happened was, I went to a haunted house, and I used these shoes, and I didn't clean them. Don't do me! Don't do her dirty! Go! Go! Oh, okay. Go! Get off my chair, and I do that. Go!
I'll show you my hair when it's done, but this is the length. It's growing. My edges are back, so let me just continue. Look, today I went to B&Q and I've got this piece of wood. Let me show you, that's a piece of wood. There's the bottom, and I wrapped it. I begged my hubby to wrap it to make a shelf on top of the dryer and the mini fridge, so it could replicate and look like that. So I'm gonna decorate on the top to see what it looks like in the kitchen. So the kitchen is coming on. Got my blind up, and I've got my extra fan up. So now it's nearly there, nearly. This is my hair so far. It's gonna be a long night tonight, and I'm starving, but I'm not gonna stop until I finish. I'll show you the finished product. So this is my finished hair without edges and anything. So I mean, it's not neat as I wanted it to, but I was getting so tired. But it will do for now. I need to go have a bath, so see you later. Hi guys, welcome. Happy Tuesday. Another day. Same old me. Anyway, I'm off. I pressed the wrong lip. I'm off to class, and I'm trying to run a little bit late because I don't know, I want to concentrate, but there's some people, because I understand what's going on, I understand the assignment this time, and there's some people, I'm not selfish, I'm just trying to get it good. They want to sit with me. The lift is here. They want to sit with me. But the thing is, I just want to sit by myself and concentrate, because they keep disrupting me over and over to tell them the answer, but that's not good. I can't work it out for you and for me. Anyway, that's my rant. This is my hair. The only problem I have with my hair is that my back and this one, because I can't even see the back properly, but it's got to do what it's got to do. It's a bit tight, but you know, as the time goes on, it will get better and better and better. As you can see, I'm not wearing a coat because it's 16 degrees, which is not bad. I hope I don't pay for it, but I'm not wearing a jacket because it's good. It's good in the wood, which I'm glad for. So I'm just gonna go up to class, and on my way back, so yeah, what I have to do, I have to come home and cook and make some ginger shot. I've grated the ginger already just to blend it because we're not taking it from the supermarket again. We're doing it natural. And then cook dinner. I've got to mend the dress. I think that's it for today. And then my day is over to relax. Anyway, let me go make a call and I see you. Look at the sun. It's giving. Just going home from class. Listen, I deliberately went late because of these ladies, and you know what? They wanted me to sit beside them. I didn't, and they even tapping. Excuse me, what did you get for this answer? I tried to ignore them, and my friend said, oh, you see those two ladies talking to you? Listen, I am trying like them. I am studying. They need to do the same too. Anyway, I'm going home to cook, and I'm going to try and do my lashes. I'm going to try and do it by myself, and I'm going to do it off camera. Okay, you know what happened the last time, although this is a different glue, but let's see how it goes. Cook my dinner, do my thing, ting. So you know it goes, right?
Oh, that's real good.
Morning vlog. Today is Thursday. As you can see, I'm off to work. Yesterday was a little bit productive. I did some studying. I have to practice the maths because this part of the maths I'm not getting. But I get it when the teacher, but I have to do it myself. You only learn when you do it yourself. The lift is here. So anyway, I'm going to work. I'm not running late for work. I'm running late to video what's the new trend in the store to this week. Well, today is my first day. And today is my girl Mission's birthday. So happy birthday, Mission. She was one of my first subscribers. Anyway, let me see test what time the train, the train, the bus is coming so I can get it and see if I can make a little bit of video. And this is one of the worst, my worst day ever because it's pretty cold out here. I hate when it's cold. Oh my god, but let's see how it goes. Morning, you alright? Yeah. So let me run to the stop And see. It's... Oh God. You alright? Are they moving it back? Are these going back in there? The bins? Oh, not yet. Okay. Alright then. Yeah. So let me just go get my bus. And I'll see you when I get to work. See, the bus stop is empty. My bus says 5 minutes, so hopefully I reach in time. But look, there's so much traffic on the road. It's crazy. That's all you hear in London. If it's not the police, it's the ambulance. For what? Hey guys, what's going on? Today is Thursday afternoon for me. Didn't do any vlogging today. I just went to work. Now work is over and trust me, I'm so tired. As you can see, I did my lashes. My friend did them at work. I do like them. So that's my update. Oh god, I'm so tired. I did a big move today because we have to move from some items from one floor to the other. And then my manager want me to do a night shift tomorrow. I politely declined because guess what? I did a night shift once. And when you do it once, you've learned it not to do it again if you don't like it. And I didn't like it because I was so tired. So politely said no. So tomorrow I'll be on my regular shift. Now I'm so tired. I need to go bathe and then I've got some food in the oven. Eat, do my thing, my night routine, teeth, everything, and then go to bed for tomorrow. Tomorrow I don't have to wake up that early. So, and next week is after. So there will be no class, nothing. So I might take myself out on some dates. Who knows? In the daytime, in the lunchtime, whatever. So you know what? Big up yourself and enjoy your day. And I'll see you when I see you. Morning, guys. Wagwan. It is Saturday. I am thinking, I'm not sure, but yesterday I vlogged and I said happy Thursday. I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe I'm jogging the time behind. But you know, tomorrow the clock is changing. Tomorrow is Sunday. I think we're going back in daylight saving time, where we lose an hour sleep, an hour for everything until our body catches up, which is gonna be a bit hard because when it comes on to 4 o'clock, hold on, at 4 o'clock in the evening, it's gonna be pretty dark. I like when it's dark and cozy, but not when it's dark and scary. But it is what it is. I'm trying to hide where I live. Yes, it's got to be some secret somewhere. Anyway, I'm off to work. Let me throw away my garbage. Okay, so we have rubbish here and recycling there. Anyway, I'm off to work. I need to pop into work a little bit early so I can get some more black t-shirts for work, because this girl don't like the work uniform. It's too bright, plus we're able to wear black at the moment, so why not jump to it, isn't it? Anyway, let me see what time. Let me get off the phone and see what time my bus is coming, so I make sure I catch that one or go to another stop and catch the one that goes closer. But don't I look so different when I have lashes on? I like it, I like it, I really, really like it. Anyway, check you later.
have utensils. This is rug. Like, I didn't even have utensils.
Hi guys, I'm back home now from work and I've got a pile of clothes to wash. Okay, can you see it? That's my pile of clothes. I'm gonna wash. I'm gonna cook some quick food, and then I got these flowers from Primark. I'm gonna put away, decorate my kitchen. And then, but bloody hell, I'm so tired, but I'm so hungry as well, so I've got to do everything. So I think I'm gonna end my vlog here. So thanks for supporting, thanks for watching, thanks for everything. And if you're new here, just join the family. And you know what, it's your girl Janet, and I'm gonna say peace out until next time. See ya. I'm out.